Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, 10th of May, Monday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders today through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update, feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel. Just before analysis, just to recap traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. If you would like to know how I trade through this platform and provide live intraday analysis, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD, if you look at here, last week on Friday we had amazing long trade pullbacks. If you haven't seen my last week analysis, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. All right, so if you look at previously, the price broke on the previous high. We were expecting a nice long trade, but we had a one short trade and also a long trade. And at the New York session, just after the London close, we had a beautiful short trade on EURUSD. As you can see, that was the last trade. Let me share with you the analysis. We had amazing trade, especially after the market open for the Asian session and the London morning session. We had a quite challenging at the New York session, but we managed few pips just after the London close. As you can see here, this was the analysis just after the market open, and as you can see here, price nicely broken, and we explained to trader bank some profit if the price gonna hit this support level. And I also update this analysis instantly at the London open. You can see here price nicely hit this target as mentioned in the analysis, bank some profit. As you can see here, based on this below analysis, we bank some profit, and then based on the recent analysis, we take another long trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, we announce to bank some profit. Being an intraday, we just make sure that we make some profit, small PPs. All right, so if you look at the New York session, and if you look at this is the New York session, you can see here it started consolidation. So we were looking this breakout, and we had a nice breakout just after the London close. As soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA, we banked some profit. So you can see here, based on the 4-hour, when the price developed this consolidation and developed double top, and that's why we explained trader, if the price gonna break this level, then we're going to be taking a short trade here. And if you look at the intraday, we have this breakout as soon as the price hit to the support level, which is, you can see here, price respected here, and the 200 EMA in intraday. As soon as the price hit, we bank some profit. So you can see we had amazing profit, long and short, both on EURUSD. Let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar whole day we were long. If you look at the yesterday, on Friday, we had this long trade, bank beautiful pips. If you haven't seen, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. When the market opened, the price was at this level. We were expecting a breakout long trade at this monthly resistance level. Price nicely broken. So whole day we were long, beautiful. And afterwards, we were looking a short trade here at the New York session. You can see there's no as such big move at the New York session, consolidation. But just after the London close, we have this small short trade on pound dollar. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. If you look at here, this is the analysis I did at the just before the market open. This is another analysis, and I also update that analysis. So based on this pattern, as you can see here, I also update that analysis instantly. As you can see, we had another beautiful breakout. You can see here channel breakout as mentioned on the analysis. And afterwards, I explained to my trader, if the price gonna break this one, this major resistance level, then we should be taking a pullback long trade. As you can see here, breakout based on the momentum, one pullback, second, third. So most of the traders bank amazing profit, especially long on pound dollar. And if you look at the as soon as the price develop another pattern, we explained to trader, just keep looking a pullback. As you can see here, we had another two more pullback at the London open, and as soon as the price hit to this previous high at this level, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit. After that, you can see a price went up, but at the New York session, you can see here we haven't seen any big movements. You know, we were looking this breakout, as you can see here, as mentioned just before you know, London close. We now still look for this breakout. We have another very small short trade on pound dollar, and some of the traders are still holding this short trade. Let's see how it's gonna go tomorrow. Right, so you can see here we had a beautiful long trade on pound dollar today. Amazing trade. Most of the traders banked beautiful pips. Let's move into the dollar CAD. We haven't seen any big moves in the dollar CAD. You can see here we had only very few small short trade on dollar CAD, and this is the analysis. As you can see, even in 4 hour we had a very strong bearish momentum. We're expecting a pullback. As you can see here, price nicely respected, and we have another pullback short trade here. And then the New York's, this is another London morning session, which price broken at the New York session and banked some profit, and afterwards the price is still consolidating it. So we haven't seen any big moves, but we managed to bank only a few pips. But if you look at the other pair, just overall the New York's opening, we had a consolidation, but later on most of the traders banked beautiful pips. Let me share with you a couple of them. You can see here, this was let me share with you the we had a euro yen. Let me share with you, we were looking this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and because you can see here, price could not maintain the previous high. In 4 hour we had this breakout and bank. As soon as you can see here, this is the breakout, bank beautiful based on this analysis. So if you look at the euro Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar, we had a beautiful, especially when we see this bearish engulfing candle. Price could not maintain this level. We had this short trade, and the target would be this level, and some of the traders are still holding short on Aussie dollar. And if you look at the intraday analysis, this is the analysis breakout, and this is the profit taken as soon as the price hit to the the final target at the blue fib channel on Aussie dollar. We had a beautiful, and we have a beautiful short trade on Kiwi dollar. As you can see here, beautiful breakout short trade. So we had a quite amazing trade, especially after the London close. And overall Asian session we had amazing trades. London morning session we had a beautiful trades. New York opening was consolidation, but at the after London close we had managed beautiful pips. As you can see, some of the traders are still holding short trade. As you can see, euro Aussie dollar, if I show you here, you can see here this was the pretty straightforward, the breakout short trade based on the analysis. As you can see here, beautiful breakout short trade. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and if you would like to see all that analysis in the real time alongside with the 4 hour analysis, even if you don't have forex trading experience, as I said to you guys, my main objective is to train trader through live intraday analysis in the real time, so they can develop their trading skill in real time and help them and provide them support in the real time. So once we found any good traders, we can also open doors for them for trading funds. And if you would like to know how I train and coach traders and arrange trading funds for them, feel free to book one-to-one consultation, and my availability calendar link is also given in the video description. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.